Hello, great friends of Twitter and YouTube. I want to show you one thing that I was pursuing for a long time. That is the ability to create personalized reports automated, doing a robot for do this for us. Instead of talking, let me show you how this works. Let's say, for example, you want to know for the past day what happened with the dollar, the euro, the Fed, the ECB, with China and Merkel. Okay, what this program will do, will perform a search and do some magic with some the news from the last day for now, and also a lot of bank reports. So you get a report like this, for example, saying that the dollar is mixed, the US dollar, on the other hand, traded lower against all the major currencies, and you have all the also this summarization for the euro, for the Fed, so for China. So uh, you get a personalized report for what you need to know instead of going to Google and going to all the news. We have a bot that do this for us. Okay, this tool is available inside the dashboard, and if you want to access it, just join the community and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, see you, my friends. Bye bye.